Let's talk about Facebook. With over 3 billion users, this platform is a giant. But don't be fooled. Just because it's big doesn't mean it's right for every business. Facebook is great for businesses that focus on building a community. For example, I worked with a local restaurant chain that was really struggling to connect with its online audience. They had great food, but almost zero interaction on social media. We started a Facebook group where their customers can share their dining experiences, post photos, and even give feedback on new menu items. Suddenly their engagement skyrocketed. The group created a sense of community around this brand, and the owner told me that it directly increased their repeat business. That's the power of Facebook for community-driven businesses. Here are some key takeaways for you to jot down. Facebook is ideal for community building, especially with Facebook groups. Best for businesses like local services, restaurants, or brands looking to foster a close-knit community. The platform's strength lies in its sophisticated ad targeting through Facebook Ad Manager. You can reach very specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors.